Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Matt with Mr. Matt Woodworks, and today we're going to be looking at part 2 of the mini toy barn dollhouse build. If you haven't seen part 1, go ahead and click the link up here and make sure you check that out before you see this. In the last video, we put the barn... What did we do? In the last video, we attached the walls to the base and had the thing painted, letters went on. In this video, we're going to start with adding the roof and the trim and all the little gates and extra bells and whistles there to bring this whole thing together. As I mentioned in the first video, this is a little bit different style of video. I just basically took all of the footage I had, sped it up and condensed it down, and usually won't break videos up into 2 parts, but this one was just so much, it was so tedious, and I thought it would be the best way to kind of get the full scope of this entire build process. So, without further ado, let's look at part 2 of the build. Alright, so we are at an order of operations determining point. I really want to put this roof on, but I need to get first I need to get the trim going up and around and all under here, and because we want the trim to be pretty, I can't just go tacking it in. The best way to keep this on there is with some glue and a little bit of tape. And I can't really tape it if the roof's on. So I'm going to have to do the trim on the face here. Figuring this out in real time out loud. And then I can put the roof on, then the hinges, and yeah, I think that's right. Just trying to remember this so I don't mess it up or get stuck in another process. And there you have it. The barn is finished up and went through my quality control with my two boys before we had it delivered. This thing was super fun, super rewarding, super tedious, and was very happy to get it on and out of my shop. Bittersweet, but you know, just happy to be done with it and move on to the next thing. But yeah, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications for more videos like this. And again, thank you for hanging out, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
I'm traveling north again, Tacoma, Washington.